Welcome to day one. I am so excited to do this series with you, and today we are just going to be using the basics, everything you get in the April Craft Club from Magnolia Design Company. And as you can see, it comes with all of this goodies. So we just started off with our beaded tray that comes with it, but I did not use the paste to paint my tray. I love the Waverly Antique Wax, so I'm just going to apply that. And then you're going to want to, once you have it applied, you're going to want to take a little wet wipe and just wipe off the excess. And then off the screen, I finished off those sides because I didn't want to bore you with that. Let's get real. And then I'm taking the white chalk paste that came with it, and I'm going to place down the stencil. It's not pretty. It's the Spring Bouquet stencil that came with the kit. I'm just going to make sure that's good and down. And then I'm going to take the paste, and I am just going to use the little squeegee that also came with the kit. And I'm just going to cover up all of the screen area on there. Apply more if you need to. And I'm going to wipe off the excess, and then boom, there's your reveal. I thought every bouquet needs a ribbon, right? So I just made a pretty little bow, put a little button in there, and she turned out so cute, you guys. Can't wait to see you tomorrow for day 2. And again, if you like this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.